This is a garage storage organizer that was gifted to me by this company for review. And in this case, it came in really handy because, as you'll see, the corner of my garage here has got all kinds of tools just stacked up against the wall. And I'd like to get this little cleaned up and organized. I'll probably come a little lower. There's no real need to be that high. So about this height right here. So I've got my bubble in the middle, and I'm going to mark a line there. So now what I'm going to do is just mark these holes. This is the part I really like. The accessories I needed comes with it. So got to make sure that this little lip goes on the top. That's where the hooks will hook in. You can try the first couple. There we go. What a beautiful thing. I'll do the others quickly and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I have the channel up. It looks good. I'm going to hook these up. What I really like about these also is just the quality of the materials. I mean, they are nice and thick. There's a nice rubber coating on this section. So the whole look and feel of this is very nice. There we go. All right, let's clean this up. Okay, there we go. That took just a few minutes. I think it looks wonderful, and I know my wife is going to be very happy about this.